Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the index scope and audience, then grab every source file and headings you'll index. Next, pick a format, alphabetical versus topical, and decide on main entries, sub-entries, and cross-references. Open a spreadsheet or plain text index file. Create columns for entry, variant, locators, and notes. Begin adding the first 20-50 entries immediately. Add headwords and precise locators. Once done, make sure each entry follows consistent capitalization and punctuation, so merging later is painless. You now normalize terms and standardize form, choose singular versus plural and hyphen rules, then apply them consistently. Then cluster synonyms under preferred headwords and add C or C also cross-references so users navigate easily. Build subentry hierarchies for complex topics using indents or markers. As you work, add precise locators, page numbers, chapter, section, or paragraph ID, and use ranges when content spans multiple pages. Once done, validate 100 sample locators to ensure accuracy before moving toward finalization. You finish by sorting the entire index alphabetically and formatting subentries, dot leaders, and page alignment for readability. Then proofread by spot-checking 2% 5% of entries and verify locators and cross-references. Mark errors for correction. If you find more than a handful of inconsistent or duplicate entries, rebuild the index from the master source file to ensure integrity. One troubleshooting tip: if many locators are wrong, regenerate locators from a clean copy of the text and rerun the sort. This fixes most systemic errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.